Hey, it's Jesse with Revved Up SEO. I wanted to make this quick video for you, giving you some pointers on stuff that you can start implementing today that'll start helping you in your business outrank your competition and start bringing in some more traffic online. So without further ado, let's go into it. First of all, the first thing that we're going to go over is content. So here we have your website. Um, as far as content goes, Google just looks for stuff that's keywords or key phrases that's related to your industry that you're trying to rank for, so stuff on your website that has like plumbers in Albuquerque, New Mexico, HVAC services in Albuquerque, New Mexico, stuff like that. So the more content that you have that's authoritative and unique is what's going to help you start ranking. So you just go to your competitors, see how much content they have, what their words are, or how many words they have, and essentially you just want to beat them in the amount of words that they have, while staying with your keywords and phrases and stuff like that. Secondly, I wanted to jump into backlinks. So right here I have a tool called Ahrefs. And all it is a tool that'll allow me to kind of dissect websites and stuff like that, see what they're doing that gets on the ranking that they're at right now. So right here we have your website, and this right here, the UR is your website's strength. So obviously you can see 10, it's not really too high, but the thing that's hurting you the most, I would say, is this right here. This is the trust. So this is how Google trusts your website over your competitors. Um, the way this is calculated is through your backlinks, and your referring domains. So this says that you have 10 domains, giving you 19 backlinks, and you're being found for 95 keywords, which is actually pretty good. So essentially all a backlink is just something or a website that's pointing back to your website. And what you want is a website that's related to your industry, pointing back to your industry. That'll give you the power. What you don't want is, say, because you guys are in plumbing and HVAC, you guys don't want something from like a hair salon or something like that pointing back to your guys' website, because that backlink won't be as strong and it could end up being something that'll hurt your rankings. So we'll come down here, and right here you can see you have your 19 backlinks. 11 are do follow, which are essentially good links, and no follow, which are essentially the opposite, backlinks that aren't giving you any power. So they could be spammy, they could be um, unrelative and stuff like that. So it's a link not giving you power, which is in the end kind of hurting you. Um, so we'll go into your keywords right here. Like I said, you're actually doing pretty good on your keywords, what you're being found for. Your first few are your branding keywords, obviously. That's what people are searching for directly for your website or your business. But yeah, like I said, you're actually being found for quite a bit. The only thing is, we'll take a look at one of your competitors over here, and Stewart's Plumbing. Obviously you can see they got 55 domain, giving them over 100,000 backlinks. So I mean, not 100,000, 1,000. And you can come over here and you can see why they're being ranked in the top page versus you. So that's one thing to take note on. And lastly, we'll come over here. We'll take a look at something called citations here in a second. All I did was I plugged in Plumbers Albuquerque to give me a list of plumbers there in Albuquerque. Right here we have, first and foremost, we have our Google guaranteed. I don't know if you guys are Google guaranteed or not, but it's definitely something that if you're not, you want to do, because that'll propel you guys into being more trustworthy in Google's eyes. You'll see stuff right here. It's just an ad, essentially, right here, but it's getting put above these ads. This is telling Google that you're serious, that you went through the process, and they can trust you. Down here, people might have some ad blockers on their web browsers and stuff like that, so you might get weeded out right here if you're not Google guaranteed. A lot of times, if you're just doing a basic ad, it could be a money pit because there's certain ways that you want to do it and certain ways you don't. So right here, we'll come into our map pack, and this is where we'll get into the citations. Citations is anything with your business name, your business address, and then the phone number. And just how many times you have your name, address, and phone number in certain directories is what's going to give you the citation count. So essentially, you just want to go in there, you want to find all the places that your competitors are, put your name where your competitors are, and then essentially beat them. That's how you'll start ranking inside this map pack, and then ultimately down here on the organic listings. So here on the organic listings is where your backlinks and how strong they are is going to propel you up along with your citations. So with that being said, you can take these tips, you can start implementing them today yourself if you'd like. If not, just get back with me. We can go over a strategy together and see how we can get you ranking and beating your competition and bringing in some more online traffic. If you don't want to do that, it's totally fine. No harm, no foul. Just, if possible, just give me a feedback on this video and what you thought about it. And from there, I'll let you go. Don't want to waste any more of your time. Hope you have a good day, and I'll be hearing back from you soon. Thank you.